Hello, I'm Tim Maxwell from Airstream. I'm here with the president of Zip Dee, Jim Webb. We're going to give a presentation on how to open up the awning.
Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is unlock the awning. We have multiple redundant locks. This is a travel lock, and we also have the clamp locks up here. By twisting that, I bring that off. I will do the same on this end. Next, I'm going to come to the strap, put my hook in the strap, and I'm going to pull out away from the vehicle like this, as opposed to pulling straight down. When I pull the awning out, I can set my hook down, and I'm going to keep the strap out of the dirt by rolling it up right away. This also serves as another function as to keep the awning from rolling up if a little bit of wind gets a hold of the awning. So now if the awning goes, it hits the strap and stops rolling. Next, I'm going to set the rafter arms. I do this, I just lift the arm, set it over the shaft. Now there's two ways I can set this. I can set it by spearing it, like I just did there. On this end, I'm going to use the other technique for setting this. I also set this on the shaft, but instead of spearing it down, I will come to this side and just use my body weight to lean back and lock that into place. The next thing I need to do is open the awning. If I try and open the awning from this position, it will be very difficult to lift. So what I do is you operate it from the inside. I'll use a straight arm on the roller. I pull a snap stud with my fingers. I go past the hole, press until it locks into place. I would just do the same thing on the other end. Use my straight arm on the roller. Get past the holes. Just use my weight to push that out with a straight arm. Don't have to lift that way. The awning is now in open position. Closing the awning is simply a reverse of opening the awning. I pull the ratchet or snap stud out, let the awning drop down. I'm going to pull the ratchet stud pin, lift the arm off of the shaft, and I set it on the storage pin down here. Okay, I pull the pin and I allow the awning to close. Next, I'm going to pull the ratchet stud to release the tension on the arm. I will lift this arm off of the shaft and set it on the storage pin. Next, I just take my strap, unroll it, and as I'm rolling the strap up, I'm not going to roll the strap in one space. If I do this, it'll create a larger spot in the awning, and the awning will be like a teeter-totter once it's closed. So what I do as I roll this awning up is I slip the strap back and forth over about a 12-inch area, which gives it a spread out surface. When the awning gets up to about where the metal wrap is, I pretty much just let go of it. It allows it to snap closed into a real tight closed position. Next, I'll latch my travel latch. Do this just by simply twisting it. I'll now put the clamp wheels back on, and I tighten them down with my rod. I'll give it one little last snug. I will do the same thing on the other end. One final snug, and now we're ready to travel.